To enhance efficiency and security in the upcoming general election, Jamaica's Electoral Office is implementing new technologies, including a sophisticated biometric cross-matching system. Marlon Samuels has the details.
The Electoral Office of Jamaica, EOJ, has embraced the use of technology to streamline and secure the electoral process. A key initiative is the use of the Electronic Voter Identification System, or EVIS. This system is designed to quickly and accurately verify the identity of voters.
Unfortunately, because of the cost, it is only limited to a small amount of constituencies. I think we're looking at about 7 constituencies. What will happen this time, we have upgraded that system. In the past, the system was just based on your fingerprint. We have gone beyond that. We have a new system in place, more manageable in terms of the technology and the equipment that we use. So we're not going to just use your fingerprint, but we're going to do, the system allows us for use facial recognition. So there's an improvement, and we continue to focus on that, certainly in terms of operation that we have in terms of what we do in terms of the printing of our ballots, etc., etc. A significant amount of that is now automated and mechanized.
In addition to EVIS, the EOJ has acquired a sophisticated biometric system. This technology allows for rapid cross-matching of an individual's fingerprint against the entire voter database, which comprises over 2.5 million records. The system allows for detection and prevention of multiple voting. Recognizing the increasing threat of cyber attacks, the EOJ has implemented robust security measures to protect its systems and data.
Certainly we have put in a department, a unit that focus on that aspect of what we do, and therefore we continue to put the necessary facilities in place to prevent any sort of, not necessarily to prevent, but ensure that to reduce the ability for somebody to attack us and to find the attack to take place. And certainly in terms of our staff, we have a continuous training program to sensitize them to be aware of some of the issues that relates to that particular subject matter.
The introduction of EVIS and enhanced biometrics marks a significant step in modernizing Jamaica's electoral system. While cost remains a factor in widespread EVIS deployment, the EOJ's commitment to leveraging technology for a more secure election is clear, potentially paving the way for further technological integration in future polls. For the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels.